What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of a 2018 Ford Expedition in the shop. So let's first check it out. I checked the battery already. If you guys could see, I have the battery charger hooked up currently. Part of the issue is the customer states when driving on the highway, the car shut off, and this was towed in the shop. So, and it's kind of a dead giveaway that this car has a charging issue because the battery light popped up. This is not an original battery, so I'm going to sell a battery and an alternator for this Expedition 2018. And there you have it, guys. It do have a generator code in there, so I would assume that's the issue right there. This car does need an alternator.